Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to reset REALME GT 7C. Okay, so let's begin. We have two methods how we can reset this device, and let me show you both of them. So, the first method, which is recommended, and when we simply have access to the phone works normally, everything is fine as you can see, it's responsive, and it's simply through the settings. So let's open up the settings, scroll down, find system and update, now click on backup and reset, and now click on reset phone. Remember that all of your data will be erased from your device, and for example, if you would like to restore that data in the future, you can create a backup. If you don't know how to create it, on our channel there's a video where I'm showing you how to create such a backup, so if you want, you can look for it. Also, erasing your phone is good. For example, in a situation when you are selling your phone to another person, it's good to perform it. Alright, and now we need to select erase all data, although in here we can also reset network and Bluetooth settings and reset all settings, but we are definitely interested in the last option. So now simply select erase all data, now click on clear, follow the instruction on the screen. If you do everything properly, your device will be turned off, then turn on again, and the next thing you need to do is to simply set up your device. And now let me show you the second method, which is through the recovery mode, and this method is recommended, for example, when the phone is unresponsive, it's lagging, and it doesn't work well. So first we need to power off our device. Let's tap the power button and the volume up button. Let's click them at the same time just to open up the power menu. Now select power off, release your finger. Okay, and now to enter the recovery mode we need to hold the volume down and the power button until the REALME logo appears. So let's hold both of the buttons. Now we can release the power button, but just make sure that you are holding the volume down. Okay, now we can release the finger from the volume down button. And now to move around this menu, we can use the volume keys. And if you want to confirm the selected option, simply click the power button, but also you can use simply your fingers. And now we need to select format data. Now we need to type this verification code using our keyboard, and also remember that all of your data will be lost. So now type this code using your keyboard, and now click on format. Now the process has begun. Okay, data formatted, it didn't took much time. Click on OK, and now the device will be automatically turned on again. And the next thing you need to do is to simply set up your device. Alright, that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.